Hey there, tired of paper statements cluttering your desk? Enrolling in Fidelity e-statements is an eco-friendly switch that gets your documents to you faster and more securely. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to enroll. Log into your Fidelity account and go to Accounts and Trade, greater than, Account Features. Click on Delivery Preferences under the Statements section. Here, you can select e-delivery for each of your accounts for statements, confirmations, and tax forms. You can choose to receive email notifications when a new document is ready in your secure message center. My crucial pro tip: download and archive important annual statements. While Fidelity stores documents for years, it's wise to download your annual statement each January and save it with your permanent financial records. This ensures you always have a copy. Just like that, you go paperless and keep your financial records organized digitally. Have you gone fully paperless with all your financial accounts? Share your experience below. If eco-friendly and efficient tips appeal to you, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.